Hi, I'm Alex Splitstoser, and I'm on the Manipulator sub-team. I'm primarily working with C.A.D. This year's C.A.D. is far more advanced than last year's C.A.D. ever was, even with me mainly just working on it. C.A.D. is a design program in which we make parts, we put the parts into an assembly, and it makes a robot design that we can base all our actual pieces of aluminum and steel off of, and then we can make the mechanics and make a better robot. The better C.A.D., the better the robot generally. I find that better C.A.D. is actually one of the biggest key strategies to this year's competition, because we need precision aiming with that big giant 2-foot ball. Speaking of strategy, this is like the most strategy intense game ever. It is less based on how good your design is and more based on how well you work with others. So to do that, we've tried to integrate how well we can work with others into our design. Improvements. Right now, probably the drivetrain is where we could improve the most. Like if we could have a more variable drivetrain that's less forward, back, only that, turn. Like if we had a full wide range eight-sided drivetrain, which we could go in a circle almost perfectly. That would probably be the best improvement. But other than that, our robot is about as good as it can get. Oh, I'm certainly planning on going to Duluth. Went there last year and it was fantastic. I'm just mainly trying to finish the robot for Duluth, but...
I'm Mr. Splitstoser. I'm a mentor on the Manipulator sub-team. What I like about this year's robot is that we get to use a lot more C.A.D., and that helps definitely with the design and build process and makes that more efficient. Things that maybe possibly change with the Manipulator or the strategy that we have is maybe a little bit more meetings going on between all the sub-teams on the Manipulator so we can get all the pieces together in a more efficient manner. What I like about the competition, we're going to have to do a lot more in regards to working with other team members on ours, on the shooter and also for the strategy. One thing I would possibly change on this particular situation would be, and for that would be to have maybe a little bit more involvement in regards to who's going to definitely be on what sub-teams. And that's about it.